Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of radish-stuffed scallion pancakes. Let's jump right in. Start by finely chopping those scallions. Take your radish and julienne in it. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt and let it marinate for 20 minutes. While that's going on, grab some flour. Mix it with hot water, knead it into a dough, and let it rest for 30 minutes. Heat up your pan, add a bit of oil, and sizzle those scallions until they are fragrant. Toss in the minced meat, stir fry until it changes color. Now, wrap the marinated radish in cheesecloth and give it a good squeeze to get rid of excess moisture. Add it to a mixing bowl. Next, bring in the cooked minced meat, a dash of light soy sauce, and a drizzle of oyster sauce. Mix it all together. Set it aside. Take your rested dough, divide it into portions, and roll them into nice round shapes. Encase the marinated radish with your rolled dough and seal it up. Preheat your electric griddle for 5 minutes, then cook your pancakes over high heat for about 10 minutes or until they turn a gorgeous golden brown. And there you have it, folks, radish-stuffed scallion pancakes. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.